Alicia Renee, and thank you for tuning into Alicia Renee TV. I am back with a new video, and today's video happens to be on this lovely hair unit that I'm wearing right now. I did receive this from an Amazon hair vendor. Their name is Nantliy. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. It's spelled Nantliy. I'll have the link to the wig in the description box so you guys can check it out yourselves. So this wig was $89.99, and it is a 20-inch water wave wig, which is very affordable for this length and hair texture. It is a 13x4 frontal, so it is ear to ear, and then we got the 4 inches of parting space as well. So we have that. And I believe they have a little like coupon as well when you order this wig. So I will just go ahead and check it out because like the price, the length, the curls, unbelievable. And also it is Christmas coming up. So let's go ahead and buy it for your mom, your sister, your aunt, a friend, yourself. Buy everybody a matching wig because baby, it's beautiful. The curls are beautiful. So all the products that I used to install this wig will be linked down in the description box. Actually, they won't be linked. I'll just have them listed. I'm not gonna lie. They're gonna be listed down in the description box. So, because I kind of forgot what all I used. So I'll have everything listed down below. So stay tuned and keep watching so you can see how I installed this unit. I also did do a ball cap method this time, and I think it came out pretty well. I didn't show me doing it because I was kind of iffy on it, but when you see it, it looks pretty good. So keep on watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you like, and I'm gonna say it again, subscribe. Like, subscribe to this channel. Subscribe.